Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of the new ROG Phone 5 with the Samsung Galaxy S21. So these two devices are the flagship level devices with the top of the line hardware. We have the Exynos 2100 octa-core processor on the Samsung Galaxy S21, while we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset on the ROG Phone 5. So let's go to the about phone. So there you go, you can see a system ROG Phone 5. Let's just about phone. So you can see that it is Android 11. Now here if you go to the about phone, you can see Samsung Galaxy S21 5G variant. Now software information, you can see that One UI 3.1 and Android 11. So both are running Android 11 and both have really powerful hardware. So Snapdragon 888 versus the Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. So that's the test we are going to do. So just clearing off all the apps from the background. So there you go, we have cleared off all the apps from the background. So there you go. Next let's see the network connection. So we'll just turn on the airplane mode. So there you go, you can see airplane mode is turned on, and also both the devices are in the same connection. So there you go. Now again both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and airplane mode. So let's just clear off the background apps once again. So we have cleared it off. So we'll start the speed test. So let's see which is able to load these apps faster, and let's see which is able to keep the apps in the memory. So we have these 16 apps. So let's start with Asphalt 9. So both the devices have the game mode enabled. So let's see which is able to open the game faster. So you can see that ROG Phone 5 is much faster. So you can still see that the Samsung S21 is taking a lot of time in loading. So game was much faster on the ROG Phone 5. Next is the Temple Run. Here again ROG Phone 5 is faster. Play Store almost same time. Chrome browser again almost same time I would say. Facebook, ROG Phone 5 is faster. Twitter. So next is Instagram. Here ROG Phone 5 was faster. Gaana, you can see that again ROG Phone 5 is faster. Samsung, it is taking a lot of time. Amazon, again ROG Phone 5 is faster. Flipkart, again ROG Phone 5 is faster. File Manager, almost same time. Settings, again ROG Phone 5 is faster. YouTube, again almost same time. Gmail, again not much difference. Camera, S21 was faster. And finally Maps, again ROG Phone 5 is faster. So what you could see is the ROG Phone 5 is definitely faster in terms of opening of apps. Almost all of the apps except one or two, the most of the apps are faster on the ROG Phone 5. So ROG Phone 5 definitely has the ability to open the apps and games faster than the Samsung Galaxy S21 with the Exynos 2100 chip. Now next is the memory management. So let's open the apps in the reverse order. So these apps, let's see which is able to retain all the apps. So these apps are retained. You can see File Manager is retained. Flipkart retained. Amazon is retained. Gaana is available. So you can see Instagram has been reloaded on the Samsung Galaxy S21. Twitter is available. Facebook is available. Chrome is again reloaded on the S21. Play Store is available. Again you can see the Temple Run is reloaded on the S21. So S21's memory management doesn't seems to be that great. ROG Phone 5 has been able to retain the apps. Now next and final app is Asphalt 9. So here you can see that both of them have reloaded in this test, but here this is not a full reload, just a partial reload, but here you can see that it is a full reload. So that's the difference. So overall you can see that the ROG Phone 5 definitely had the best experience in terms of memory management. So what you could see is that the S21 did not match up with ROG Phone 5 in terms of performance as well as memory management. So both the areas you could see that ROG Phone 5 was the clear winner. So that is a quick speed test comparison of the ROG Phone 5 with the Samsung Galaxy S21. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.